Oh, I didn't even do my outro. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaelyn BrowzBeauty, and I have something new for you guys today. I know I'm kind of on the late side because most people review this like a year ago or like 9 months ago, but I'm bringing you guys the Too Faced, I don't know if you could see it, Hangover RX 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray, and then the actual face primer. Also, I'm gonna be trying this concealer Born This Way. I really don't know if this is my color, but let's see, we gonna try it out. Oh, also, what do you guys think about my hair? This hairstyle was inspired by Arnell Armoon, I think that's her name. She recently posted a video and I was like, oh my gosh, I really like that hairdo. It's not exactly like her hairstyle, but it's pretty much the same. Like hers are a little bit more slanted where mine are a little bit more straight back, and she used like straight hair and then just curled it. If you guys want to see a video on how I did this hairstyle, let me know. I'll show you a video on how to do something like this. But yeah, okay, so let's get this thing started. I've already done my eyebrows, so I'm gonna start with the face primer. In this part, I'm just letting you guys know that I have eczema and like patchy pink skin, and so this is a moisturizing primer, and if you have oily skin, I do not think this would be good for you. For foundation, I will be using my Makeup Forever. And instead of putting the makeup on the sponge, I like to just put it directly on my face. Guys, if you want that flawless looking finish, you always want to just pat your makeup in all over rather than swiping, or I guess you could say wiping it all over your face, because you'll just spread the makeup and you guys will have patches. This is actually like a super good matching foundation. Like, I never really use this foundation ever. I always use my MAC Pro Longwear, and that's like way darker than this. See the difference? Okay, now I'm done with my foundation, and I'm gonna go in with this Born This Way light beige. Hope it's the right color. Y'all, please do not clock me on the way that I am putting this concealer on. All of my other concealers are squeeze tubes or they pump. So I'm definitely not used to putting on my concealer like this. So yeah. I actually got the right color, I think. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick in the color Chestnut. I'm going to take my blender brush again and just smooth out any areas where the concealer got in my creases and creased up, because once I set it with the powder, it's set. So if I set it with the creases, it's done. It's a wrap, girl. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder, and I take about that much and just press in. I'm also gonna take it and put that right here where I crease. And then I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and just dust that off. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Powder. I'm just going to put it all over my brush like so. And just go right in. Oh, skirt! I told y'all I'd be forgetting stuff. Like as soon as I get on here, I forget everything. I'm gonna take a dry sponge that looks like this and just put powder on there and go right here. So I paused it right here just so you guys could see that I switched brushes because I just couldn't decide if I wanted to use my fluffier powder brush or my more detailed and like defined powder brush. So yeah, that's what I went with. And then I'm gonna go back in with the big fluffy powder brush. Now I'm gonna take this brush again and I'm just going to kind of dust that over my eyes a little bit and anywhere where I concealed. Now I'm going to take this Becca Sunlit Bronzer, and this is a much cooler bronzer, and I'm going to put that on my nose. And I'm going to start here and pull like this and then bring it down. So I use this technique when I'm not going to put on any eyeshadow and I don't want to do a full face, just to create some dimension in my eyes and just warm them up a little bit. Now I'm gonna use my go-to blush palette, this Morphe 8 Warm palette, and I'm gonna go into Witty and this one right here, and Apologetic. For my highlighter, I am going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop. And I'm going to take a brush like this, and this is a Real Technique setting brush, although I never use it for setting. And I'm just gonna go in. Look at that. Oh my god, why does it look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow? Yuck. Ugh. So now I am going to go in with the setting spray, and I don't know if I told you guys, but this is can be used as a primer. Apply to clean skin before makeup, set, apply after makeup to keep it in place all day, refresh. This spray can also be used anytime to refresh skin. So let's see how it works. I don't know, I'm so used to shaking stuff because the one I use has glitter in it. So let's see how this works. Whew. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna fan that. And then I'm just gonna take my sponge and kind of push that in. This is more of like a dewy look. Like, this is definitely like, hey girl, you're ready for summer look. Like, I think I like it. So next I'm gonna go in with something else from Too Faced that I've never tried before. This Better Than Sex Mascara. Look at the bottle, y'all. Look at that. It has like little raindrops on it. Like it's really wet. A hint, hint, Better Than Sex. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like. I don't even really have to put on eyelashes. I think I love this. Because I'm so extra, I'm just gonna keep putting it on. If anyone makes cute faces while they put their makeup on, girl, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Then I'm gonna take the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk and just put a little bit of that on my finger. Ooh, this is so bomb, y'all. I have never tried this before. I am so hyped. You guys, I am going to be ODing with this lip gloss. I love this concealer, y'all. What? Born This Way, Too Faced, y'all did that. This is gonna be my new ish, y'all. So how do you guys think this look turned out? Do you guys love the concealer? Do you guys love the primer, the mascara? Please let me know in the comments section below. I really had a great time filming this video with you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your notification bell because you may not get notified and you won't know that I got some new ish out for y'all. Also, if you guys want to see how I did this hairstyle, this is not my first time putting this hair on my ponytail, but this is the first time that I've done twists in my hair in a long time, girl. So I hope you guys like this. Enjoy. Let me know what you guys think. What you say? We getting loose in this. See you next time.